How to remove black background from pictures so that they can blend in Photopea.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So on the screen I have first opened Photopea.com and I have then imported this picture that has a black background. This is an explosion layer. Now as I want to put this layer over here so that it can portray an explosion in the car, so I have to go on normal. This is the blending mode, and then I have to go on the screen mode. As I select the screen mode, you will be able to see that the background has been removed and now it's just an explosion. Now I can put it over here, or I can just revert it down like this one and I can put it over here, and so I have an explosion right in the middle, or a fire coming out of the chimney of a car. This is how I can blend in black screens on Photopea.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.